Hey, Steve Zonardo here with Treviso Realty. It's going to be another day of journeys in Southwest Florida. We took the 911 out. I'm dressed in white, not because of the car, it was more because of where we're going. We're heading to Marco Island. It's 35 miles from Estero. Amazing place. I've never been. This is going to be the first time for me. It's literally 6 miles long, 4 miles wide. I'm going to read off of this page, just kind of give you an idea like how important this place is to Southwest Florida. So TripAdvisor voted it #1 island in the US and #4 best island in the world. I mean, this is 35 miles south of us right now, which is amazing. It is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world and some of the best seashell collecting, if you're into that. Again, it was developed in 1870 with Thomas Collier, which is Collier County. That's why Naples is called Collier County. So same developer founded that area. But it was established in 1960, 1965, where the developers came and actually charted it and then also put in all the canals to get it and the roadways to get it a functional island. But we're gonna head out there now and we'll show you what's good. A little bit about this car. It's a 911T 2018, very limited production model. It's more of a driver-focused car. Short gear ratio, short shift, slammed from the factory, a GT3 rear end, lightweight glass, lightweight interior. And the whole point of this car is more the driving experience, not something you want to pull up to Starbucks with and like hang out. This is more like this, right? You want to get up to the on-ramps with a little bit of haste. We're in Marco Island. This is one of the beaches that we're located right now. If you kind of take a look, it's absolutely gorgeous. You can kind of see like the turquoise of the water, also the shells, a lot of shells on the beach. So if you're into shelling, amazing destination to do that. Very exclusive area. You can't really park anywhere. It's destined more for people that live here or that are going to be staying in one of these hotels here. So it's very private. One way in, one way out over the bridge. Amazing, just down the street from Naples. And again, because we are based out of Estero, this is literally 35 to 40 miles from where we live, which is great. It's like a whole new world. So this is going to be the end of the video. Hope you enjoy it. It's our first time here in Marco Island. Definitely a place to come visit. It's magnificent. It's beautiful. It's definitely a must-see. I hope you enjoy the video. Have a great day.